Hello everyone, welcome to my randonautica vlog. I don't know if you can see this. It's telling me to go straight, basically, in the desert. So, I guess let's go. I thought of, whenever I was doing the thing, I thought of mystery. So let's see if I find a little mystery. Okay. I'm putting it in my Apple Maps. It says it's 49 minutes, but I don't believe that. I'm gonna do the 38-man one because the other one says no bikes and I have to go backwards. Actually, I don't know, wait. Both of my things that I've said for them to do are right next to each other, see? I don't know if you can see that either, but this is my one from yesterday and this is my one from today. They're both in the same area. That's kind of... Okay. Wow, it's kind of far away. That's kind of scary, huh? Okay. Let's go. I think it's right here, but I don't know. Let me see. I don't know how I'm gonna do this. My phone, I keep having things wrong. Okay. I think right here. Actually no, right here. Now I need to get off the road and go up right here. Oh! Let me get my phone. Okay, so I cracked it. I guess I just go straight, huh? I think it's this way. Okay, now I don't know. In half a mile, turn left. I hate the sand. I can only go on the dirt, not the sand. Okay, this might take a while, so I'll resume the video when I get there. Okay, so I realized I was gonna like die of thirst because it was like 40 minutes away and it's so hot and I'm sweating and I was like gonna die. So I went home and I was like, wait, that's actually like too far and I'm like not trying to do that. So I did a new point and now here we are. And I made it here and it was way easier to get to, but as you can see right there, there's a big fence. And it's not big, but there's a fence. And I need to get to the point, and the point is like right there. I think it's like right past the fence. Let me see. Oh, okay, they made the circle bigger. But I'm basically here. I need to just go that way, I think, maybe. But first, we need to get past this fence. So, let's figure that out. Okay, I'm gonna do a little U-turn. I hope I don't run into the fence that's in here. Up. And then this way. Whoa! Okay. I don't know why that fence is there if I could just go around it. This is so fun. Okay. Oh, there's a little over there. I'm go around everything. That way. Right. It's like right there. Kinda, almost. Whoa! Okay. Oh, a big cactus. What are you supposed to do when you get there? Because I'm in the circle. I'm like right here. Yeah, I think I'm here. Yeah, bro. I don't think this app does anything. I'm here in the desert. And here's my bike. And there's nothing at all. Like, there's actually nothing. I think I've found more things in the desert. Like, just going out in a random place. Maybe it didn't work because I did it and then I did it again, you know? Like, you can only do it once. It only works once. Okay, there's my bike. I hope I don't lose it. This is a stupid video. I don't know why I'm making this video. Okay, there's a big open place. It's like a river, I think. So let's see what's in here. Okay, there's this thing. What an interesting thing. I don't know what this could be made out of. Huh. This flies in my ear. Okay. There's not flies in my ear, they're buzzing. That's what I meant. Okay. So I don't think there's anything here. And the moral of the story is randonautica. Waste your time, I guess. And I guess that's that. Thanks for watching.